What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Pelly Telly, and on this channel we go over technical analysis on crypto charts, we do NFT reviews, we go over metaverse opportunities, we discuss passive income plays with DeFi, everything crypto, right? So if that's something you're interested in, don't be shy, smack the like button, definitely subscribe, and come join the gang. So in this video we're going over CHAINLINK. Let's get into it. So right off the bat on the daily candle, we closed bearishly, but as you can see the wicks of this area, there's a lot of wicks off of this area right here, right? And wicks are signs of rejection or exhaustion. So all these wicks of this zone of this area could be signs that bears are weakening and bulls are pushing in, could be possibly re-entering the market, right? So let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what we have here is, this is honestly kind of what I just saw on Solana. See, they look almost exactly alike. If you didn't know, I just, in the description I have my analysis on Solana. You can feel free to check that out if you like. But back to CHAINLINK. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing on Solana as well. But so we could say we have here is, let's take some of the clutter off the chart. What we can say we have here is the same price made a lower low. Okay, price made a lower low. So what after price makes a lower low, the only thing you can expect to make now is a lower high. So with this exhaustion that we see of this level right here, price could possibly at least begin to push up from this level to at least begin to start a retracement cycle to then create a lower high. Okay, and after price creates that lower high, we probably might see, we gotta watch if price is gonna make a new lower low, or if price makes a new higher low. And if a new higher low comes in, then that could mean price could be finding a solid floor to then continue moving upwards. So it's all steps to this, but right now we on the leg where we must watch for if price is going to start its retracement cycle for the daily, right? And how are we going to track that? You're going to drop to the lower time frame, aka 4 hour to 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, what I'm seeing is basically we're in a zone, in a consolidation area, so to say. We just bounce off this support. This is resistance right here. And price just kind of seems to be moving sideways. Let's zoom in some more. Let's go on the 1 hour. And yeah, let's take this away from here, right? So what I see, we have a local resistance right here and a local support right here. And price is just moving sideways, right? So right now, from looking at the higher time frame and just looking at the daily wicks, and from what usually tend to happen, if price continues to exhaust off this area as bears seem to lose their momentum, I can possibly see price breaking above resistance, find some sort of support, and then possibly continuing to the upside. This is how the retracement cycle on the 4 hour or the one on the daily would probably play out, right? Now to the downside, price could continue down as well, but just how we would wait for price to break above this resistance and then wait for the resistance for the retracement and entries into the upside, we would do the same if price was to break below support, right? Now if you're asking, well, how come it didn't happen over here? Well, it's simple. Notice what I keep saying. You're waiting for price to break resistance and then retrace, but find some sort of resistance again. So we wait for price to break support, and after breaking support we wait for some sort of retracement and then some signal that price has found resistance and gave us a bearish signal, entry signal to the downside. Price never gave that signal that price found resistance. It gets a bit tricky, but you just gotta pay attention and cut your losses when you realize that you probably is on the wrong side of the trade. So anyway, that's the analysis. See you guys in the next one.